Hey friends, thanks for checking us out. Today I want to share with you a great little quick review game, Two Truths and a Lie, and how you can use it to review concepts and content for your Georgia Studies classroom. This is brought to you by the Georgia Department of Education, so let's dive in. So, what is Two Truths and a Lie? Well, friends, if you are breathing right now, then you probably at some point have played this popular icebreaker or get to know you activity at teacher induction, back to school, parties, whatever. But did you know that Two Truths and a Lie can be used for you or content of concepts? And here is how. So, what you're going to do is you're going to ask your students to list two things that are true or accurate about their learning. This could come at the end of a work session, at the end of a chapter, at the end of a unit. You're also going to ask them to list one idea that sounds like it might be true and accurate, but in fact is not. So, let's take a look at our standard H4, in which we ask students to explain the reasons for the westward movement of Georgia's capitals. I'm going to read three statements to you, and I want you to sniff out what are the truths, where is the lie. Georgia's capital rotated between Savannah and Augusta due to bickering among leaders. The current Capitol building is the same facility built in 1868, just renovated. Louisville was named in honor of Louis VI of France in appreciation for France's assistance during the Revolutionary War. The two truths, my friends, are about Georgia's capital rotating and about the naming of Louisville. The lie, everybody, is going to be the current Capitol building is the same facility built in 1868, just renovated. So, how is that a lie? Well, on July 4th, the first meeting of the legislature in Atlanta took place in the Atlanta City Hall and Fulton County Courthouse. This structure was built on the same site as today's Capitol, but is not, in fact, the same building. When you use Two Truths and a Lie as a review process, you can assess each student's understanding and use it to inform the next day's opener. But here's a bonus. You're also teaching students how to kind of sniff their way through test questions and identify things that look like they could be a catch-all, look like it could be the one that's trying to surprise them, but in fact is not accurate. It makes them be a little bit more discerning when they're reading statements. So let's go. What are your examples? What are your two truths and a lie? I encourage you to visit any of our socials and share what that could look like and get a list of your own. Thanks so much for joining us.